Hi, I'm Wyatt Hickman, and I'll be talking about the Great Natchez tornado. So a couple fast facts about the Natchez. It occurred on May 7th, 1840, and it hit Natchez, Mississippi, which is a trading town right on the Mississippi River. 317 people were killed, with over 200 more injured, and this number being so high because a lot of people were on boats at the time of the tornado and they couldn't evacuate or get to anywhere safe. It's the second deadliest tornado in U.S. history, and there was $1.37 million in damage, which equates to about $30.2 million now. Here is the approximate path of the Natchez. It started down here, and it followed up the river. What I couldn't do was show it bends off into Louisiana. It traveled for a distance of about 20 miles, but debris was found up to 30 miles away from the tornado. So, since there's not a lot of meteorological data about the Natchez because it happened in 1840, I decided to focus on when it happened. It happened in the peak of tornado season in May. And what happens in the winter is the jet stream dips and it brings the polar air down through the continental United States. In the spring, it starts to recede and the tropical maritime air can come up through the country. Now, this causes the initial mixing of the hot and cold air, and it creates a low pressure system in the middle of the country. What this does is creates the upward suction that's needed to create tornadoes. And then here I threw in a map of the Tornado Alley. Natchez is right on the border of Louisiana and Mississippi in there, and it can go up because, as shown here, the polar air mass here and the tropical air mass here, they come on this border here, and that's when the mixing can really take place and start circling around, and it has the optimal conditions for tornadoes. I'm Wyatt Hickman, and that's the Natchez.